Hello everyone and welcome to the daily morning podcast of SBI Securities. So let's discuss how the markets closed on Monday. Sensex closed lower by 203 points to settle at 76,490. Nifty closed lower by 31 points to settle at 23,259. Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Small Cap 100 advanced by 0.08% and 1.51% respectively. Moving on to the top 5 gainers and losers on Nifty. So the top 5 gainers were Grasim, Hero MotoCorp, Cipla, Power Grid and Nestle India. Whereas the top 5 losers were Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Bajaj Finance, M&M and TCS. Talking about the BSE sector-wise advance and decline. So BSE services, reality, healthcare, telecommunication, consumer durables, power and FMCG all advanced in the range of 0.15% to 1.61% respectively, with BSE services being the highest gainer with 1.61% and FMCG being the lowest gainer with 0.15%. Whereas BSE auto, oil and gas, metal and IT declined from the range of 0.04% to 1.5%, with IT being the most loser with 1.5%. Talking about the market breadth, around 2,631 stocks advanced, whereas 1,360 stocks declined. Now moving on to the 52-week high, so around 178 stocks scaled new 52-week high. So some of them were Bajaj Auto, Bikaji, Crompton, Divis Lab, Finolex Cable, M&M, NCC and etc. Talking about the 52-week low, so around 16 stocks scaled new 52-week low. Moving on to the fund flow, both FI and DI were net buyers to the tune of rupees 2,572.4 crores and 2,764.5 crores. Talking about the global cues look supportive. US market overnight ended at fresh record highs ahead of Fed meeting due tomorrow, which is 12th May, and the impact will happen on 13th May. The commentary will keenly await the commentary, especially when with the non-farm payroll data remains strong. The Asian markets are currently trading on a mixed bias. We expect a positive start from market today. Now moving on to the stocks which are likely to be in focus. So first is Modi 3.0 government. See, overall positive for market as no change in the portfolio distribution. PSU stocks may see some rebound. Around 3 crore houses to be built, which will act positive for NBCC, cement stocks, Hudco. Railway stocks momentum may also see momentum. The railway stocks momentum may continue. Now second we have is Raymond. Raymond Realty, an arm of the company, received a second redevelopment project in the Bandra East area of Mumbai. The project is estimated to generate over rupees 2,000 crores in revenue. So positive for Raymond. Transformers and rectifiers. The company has approved the floor price at rupees 699.95 per equity share for raising via QIP. So positive for transformers and rectifiers. Cosmic CRF, having a market cap of 800 crores. The company has received order worth rupees 128.6 crores and 109 crores from two different wagon manufacturing companies. So positive for the company. Borosil Renewables. The company approved the draft for the issuance of fully paid up equity shares via right issue aggregating rupees 450 crores. So positive for Borosil Renewables. PTC Industries. The company announces partnership with leading entities under the DTIS scheme in the Indian defense and aerospace sector to advance the Make in India initiative. So positive for PTC Industries. RVNL. The Siemens RVNL consortium has received a letter of acceptance from Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation for engineering, supply, erection, testing and commissioning of 33 kV distribution and 750 VDC third rail traction electrification. So positive for RVNL. Bank of Baroda. The company has kept MCLR unchanged across tenures effective from 12 June. So overall neutral for Bank of Baroda. NLC India. The company has raised foreign currency loans up to $600 million and it will make an investment of rupees 994.5 crores in the unit NLC India Renewables to seek external assistance from the Multilateral Development Bank via DEA for renewable power projects. So overall positive for NLC India. Vodafone Idea. The company will consider fundraising in its board meeting on June 13. So positive for Vodafone Idea. HG Infra Engineering, the company incorporated a step-down subsidiary company, namely HG Jaipur Solar Project, to carry out the business in the field of solar power. So overall positive. Interglobe Aviation. Interglobe Enterprises, owned by the Rahul Bhatia family, is set to sell a 2% stake in the budget airline Indigo, according to Bloomberg. The deal will involve offloading 7.7 million shares at a minimum price of rupees 4,266 each, representing a 7% discount from the Monday's closing price. So we're neutral for Interglobe Aviation. Moving on to bulk deals, where first we have is Ward Wizard Innovations and Mobility. Ward Wizard Solutions India sold 25 lakh shares at rupees 62.71 per share. Signity Technologies. Old Bridge Capital Management sold 1.97 lakh shares at rupees 1,350.01 per share, while Rajasthan Global Securities bought 1.85 lakh shares at rupees 1,349.23 per share. Emphasis. BCP Topco 9 sold 285 lakh shares at rupees 2363.37 per share. Kotak Funds India Midcap Fund bought 15.71 lakh shares at rupees 2,363 per share. Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund Kotak Emerging Equity Scheme bought 31.73 lakh shares at rupees 2363 per share. Morgan Stanley Asia Singapore Pte. Bought 22.25 lakh shares at rupees 2,363 per share, and Society General bought 10.61 lakh shares at rupees 2,363. Poonawalla FinCorp. Abhay Suresh Kumar Bhutada sold 76 lakh shares at rupees 437 per share. Moving on to the insider trades, where we have Kalyan Jewellers, where the promoter Thrikur Sitarama Iyer Anantaraman sold 25,000 shares. Moving on to trading tweaks, where the companies going for X record dividend is Tata Motors, Asian Paints and Jindal Saw. So yeah, that was all from the Fundamental Daily Morning Podcast of SBI Securities. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.